Hi, in my quest for the exotic and the unusual, I came across Kadaknath or black chicken. The chicken is black, the bones are black, the organs are black. Let's marinate it in salt, ginger garlic chili paste, and turmeric. While it's marinating, let's dry roast the dry masala. The description box has more details. Dry roast it till they are black but not burnt and let it cool and powder. While it's cooling, let's heat some oil in a pressure cooker, add couple of bay leaves, onion and let us saute them till they are golden. Once they are golden, let's add the chicken, marinated chicken, add masala, water, salt to taste, mix it up and pressure cook it for almost 6 whistles. Here your chicken is ready. Just garnish with some coriander and enjoy. Thank you.